It's that sinking feeling. Not only have you just lost a game of chess, but your opponent tells you that you missed checkmate. By doing some checkmate puzzles, you will train your mind to spot opportunities to win games of chess. In this video, there are 4 puzzles to solve. When each new position appears, pause the video and see if you can work out the answer. The first thing to do is to look at the king you are trying to trap. Find out which squares it can move to. Then, for mate in 1 puzzles, have a look at your pieces and work out how you can give check. One of the checks will actually be checkmate. White to play and mate in 1. Let's light up the squares next to the black king. The white queen attacks most of them, and the f3 pawn attacks g4. So we are left with f4. The g pawn can give check, but it can't attack f4 as well. So we are going to have to use the queen. There are several places where the white queen can give check. Which one is best? Remember, it is often a good idea to put your queen next to the enemy king, but only if it's defended. The only one of these squares that is defended by another white piece is e4. It's defended by the f pawn. The white queen attacks in any direction, so the black king can't escape. OK, white to play and mate in 1. The black king is on the edge of the board, so there are only 4 squares we have to think about. The white pawn attacks b7, but the other squares are all safe. Let's think about our pieces now. How can we attack the white king? Which piece should we try first? It's always worth seeing what the queen can do. It's the most powerful piece. And when there aren't many pieces left, it can do all sorts of damage. Let's remind ourselves where the black king can move. There we go. Now let's work out the best move for our queen. Pause the video and work out how many ways the queen can give check. There's 1, and be honest, did you spot that one? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and this is the only one which stops the black king from moving. Black to move and mate in 1. You know what we need to do. OK, but where is it safe for the white king to move? The black rook controls the second rank, and the black knight attacks the other 2 squares. So we just need to find another black piece to give check. This bishop is the only option, really. Can we give checkmate with this bishop? We have 2 choices, but which one is checkmate? If the bishop moves to c4, the white rook can block. So let's try the other one. None of the white pieces can take the bishop or block on g2, so it's checkmate. Final puzzle. Black to give checkmate on the next move. Are any of these squares safe? The king attacks d6. The black pawns attack f4 and g5. The king defends the f6 pawn, and the f6 pawn defends the e5 pawn. So only g4 is safe. A check along that diagonal should do it. With this bishop.